In this tutorial, we'll show you how to search for photo using different methods. The easiest way to search for photo on your iPhone is to use the searching bar in the photo apps. Here's how. Open the photo apps on your iPhone. Then you can tap the searching bar at the top of the screen here. And then you can type in a keyword related to the photo you are looking for, such as a location, person, or event. For example, I'm going to type a night sky. Then, the search result will show all the photos that match the keyword we enter. If you're looking for a photo taken on a specific date or at a specific location, you can open the photo apps on your iPhone and then you can tap on the searching bar at the top of your screen and you can type the date or location you're looking for, such as for example, I will type the date is 1 April 2023. Then, the search result will show all the photos taken on that date or in that location. Did you know you can also use Siri to search photo on your iPhone? How to do it? First, make sure you already activate Siri on your iPhone by going to Setting, open the Setting app, and then you can make sure to select Siri and search. Make sure you can switch on press side button for Siri or listen for Hey Siri. For example, I'm going to select the press side button for Siri. After you activate, you can press and hold the side button of your device. And when Siri activates, you can give a command to Siri to find my photo and you can say the date or location. After that, Siri will show you the photo that matches your request. If you're still having trouble finding the photo you're looking for, you can try using a third-party apps. Here are some popular options like Google Photo. Also, you can use the Adobe Lightroom, Microsoft OneDrive, and these apps offer more advanced search options and can help you find specific photo more quickly. That's it for our tutorial on how to search for photo on your iPhone using various tips and tricks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are now able to find the photo you're looking for more easily. If you have any question or additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Bye!